Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alma. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you are my returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. Okay, so let's get started. Today I was thinking, okay, so it's Easter weekend. Let's do like a Easter look, spring look, this, that. I don't know. And I'm thinking pink, but bright, glittery or something. So let's see what we come up with. Today I'm drinking my coffee, so it's just coffee and my creamer, and it's hazelnut flavored creamer. So cheers. Okay, so I already have foundation on my face. The foundation I'm using today is the Milani Conceal and Perfect. I love this foundation. The primer that I use today is this one by Wet n Wild. It's a primer serum. It has a little like shimmer in it or something. I don't know, it just looks like little tiny glitter specks. And then for my moisturizer, I use my La Roche-Posay Double Repair Moisturizer. Yay! For my concealer on my lids, to prep my lids, I use the NYX Bear With Me Concealer Serum. I love this concealer, it's awesome. So I prep my lids, but I haven't done anything on my under eye. I don't know, I just decided to do that at the end. Okay, so since we're ready, oh, and then I used the powder by MAC, and I'm in shade medium. It's the Mineralized Skin Finish Natural. I used my little brush by Real Techniques to set it, and I know that I got oily lids, so sometimes it needs more than that. Okay, so I got a couple palettes sitting in front of me. I got the ColourPop Malibu Barbie that I love so much. I swear I love this palette. Because I was thinking of using some pink glitter shimmers. And then I also have my Makeup Geek shadows here. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this fluffy brush by Equal Tools. It's called Tapered Blending, but you can use it to apply shadow or whatever you need. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna use this one by Wet n Wild. I forgot. I'm gonna put a little bit of brown. I'm getting the light brown by Makeup Geek. It's called Espresso Yourself. I'm gonna use that like a transition color, kinda. Oh, I think I grabbed too much. So this color is just to give the look a little bit of definition, dimension, or whatever. Yeah. Okay, it should look something like this. So I'm applying it above, pretty much above my crease where it folds, so on top of it. And I went like a little bit more than halfway. I'm gonna get my brush that I said I was gonna use earlier to define crease. This is a rounded fluffy brush, and I'm gonna pull out, I swear there's a bunch of cute colors, but I'm gonna use this one. It's by Makeup Geek. It's Makeup Geek, and it's called Staycation. Makeup Geek. Oh God. So right now it's about noonish here, and I'm getting my place kind of ready to kind of kick it. My oldest daughter's coming over, and I don't know, we're gonna make some carne asada. I've been craving. I saw this, does it happen to you guys that you see like recipes on Instagram or TikTok, and oh, you just crave it? So that's kind of what happened the other day. A couple days ago, I saw something on Instagram, and I'm like, oh, I need to have that. Okay, so I pretty much placed this color all over my lid, up, all the way up. Not here, but here in the middle. Okay, so it should look like this. I know it seems kind of, I don't know, blah. But we are gonna make it fun right now. So I'm gonna get a flat shading brush. I swear I need to clean my brushes again. a small shader brush. Okay, this looks like the cleanest side right here. I'm gonna get Vintage Doll. It's a glittery, this one right here. It's a beautiful glittery color, shimmer. And this is by the Barbie Color Pop palette. And I'm gonna place that in the center. And I'm gonna make it blend into the eyeshadow here. I know I've done pink looks, but sometimes I feel like doing something different with the pink. I love pink on my eyes. It's kind of like, I don't know if you can see it, semi-iridescent. Okay, so now I'm gonna do an eyeliner. I know I usually don't do eyeliners, but today I feel like it. So I'm gonna do an eyeliner, and I'm using the L'Oreal Carbon Black Telescopic. I put my eyeliner. I kind of messed up. I should have done my lashes and then place my eyeliner, but we'll make it work. There's always, you know, you can always go back and correct it. So I'm gonna place my mascara. This one's the CoverGirl Lash Blast Volume. Okay, so I placed my lashes. I did my eyeliner on this eye, and I think it looks really cute. What do you guys think? I always feel like eyeliner makes my eyes look a little intense on the top. I just hope it doesn't close them up. But anyways, I'm gonna go in with the NYX concealer, and excuse me, I'm gonna place that on my under eyes. I'm gonna use this brush. This one's by Real Techniques. I swear this concealer is like, you need to dab it and then, you know, work with that, because a little goes a long way. I'm like trying to talk. Oh, I wanted to share with you guys the recipe of what I'm gonna make for dinner later, just so you guys be like, just so you guys will know what I'm talking about. So it's carne asada, obviously seasoned, and rice and beans. It's the not the white rice, brown rice or red rice, whatever you want to call it, the Mexican rice. And on the side they make enchiladas rojas, red enchiladas with queso fresco in it, and they kind of fry the tortilla with the sauce and everything. They fry it, they flip it in like a quesadilla, right? But it's an enchilada because it has red sauce. And oh my god, when I first saw it, I was like, ooh, that looks so good, I want it. So that's what I'm making today. And right now I'm boiling beans because I want my beans fresh. Making the rice later. And then, you know, once those things are done cooking, then I grill the meat, and then, you know, a little step at a time. But it's red sauce that I have to make, and it's so good. Okay, so I am going to use the Mineralized Skin Finish to set my under eye. So I'm gonna get a powder brush and set my under eye like this. I'm weird. I don't know why I grabbed this big old brush for my under eye. Here, let's use this one. This one's by Real Techniques, and it's an angled brush, and it's perfect for your under eye because it fits right in there. When I do eyeliner, you know how I usually put dark eyeshadow right here? I don't do that when I place eyeliner. Why? Because I feel like it closes my eye even more. It's like dark, dark, and then you got the crease over here kind of darkish. That's why I'm like simple eye, bright eye, eyeliner, lashes, nothing underneath. And I think it just looks way better. Okay, so I wanna set my face because I see that it's getting shiny. I'm gonna take out, this is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus in Banana. And I'm gonna get my powder brush for that one and dab some on my face. See how it mattifies it right away? I love this powder. This reminds me of the Maybelline Fit Me. I know I have it somewhere. I need to go pull it out. Okay, so now I'm gonna contour my face using the Deep Skin Bronzer by Makeup Geek. It's called Burnish. This one right here. I love this one. It's very, boom, gives it to you. That's why I kind of dab it like once and like work with that and like gradually, you know. The first time I used it, it's on my video. I forgot which one. Oh, I think it's the one where I'm reviewing it, unboxing the Makeup Geek. I think the top of my head looked all brown. I'm like, oh my god, why didn't I like go through it again and like diffuse it? I don't know if you can see right here. I always go overboard. I'm getting the Mineralized Skin Finish to diffuse that little part that I overdid with bronzer or contour, whatever you want to call it. And I did contour my nose a tad bit. Just a tad bit. Okay, so my blush, what I'm going to use today is the Makeup Revolution blush palette. Okay, and just gonna get one of the pink shades. Let's go with this one right here. It's like a peach pink or whatever. Does it even have, no, it just has numbers in the back, but there's no names. So if you want to go with a pink, go for it. I decided to let my hair be wild today, just wild. Okay, I'm gonna dab off some of that lip oil. And I'm gonna go in with the Super Stay Vinyl Ink Maybelline lipstick. I think it's a lipstick, whatever. And I'm planning to use that with this makeup look. So let's see how it looks. And I'm gonna set my makeup with the MAC setting spray, Fix Plus. Okay, and what do you guys think? This is my finished look. I really love it. You know what I want to wear with this look? A nice flowery like dress, like a spring dress, and some Doc Martens boots. Perfect with this makeup look. I would love to dress that today. And yes, this is my finished look. I love the lipstick, the really cute pink on the eye and lashes and a little bit of liner, and I think it's adorable. I love it. And you can also wear this look for fall, like winter and stuff. But yes, I love it so much. I love creating different makeup looks, or the same ones, but you know, when you switch things up a little bit. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for following me, and everybody that has subscribed, thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed, just do it. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much. I also have a TikTok where I do a lot of skincare. And yes, thank you so much for watching my videos. I hope you guys have a great Easter weekend, And if you don't celebrate Easter, that's okay. Have fun. Have a great day. And see you on the next video.